gentlemen, myself Jayaprakash, I represent Dormakaba, I handle the Tamil Nadu region. Thank you all for accepting our invite and gathering for this prestigious occasion. Let me briefly take you through what Dormakaba is all about. I thought of starting my presentation with a corporate video which was just now played. So I am skipping this video for every place that matters. That was the theme of the video. Now, to put across what Dormakaba worldwide today is, we are present in more than 130 countries with 16,000 employees and close to 160 years old. We have close to 1,800 patents for our products, and our annual turnover touches 2.8 billion Swiss franc. To name some of the international accreditations that we own, we follow the industry's leading quality, safety and environment, occupational health, and energy management systems. And the standards and certifications that we follow, broadly our products fall under two different categories. One is the European standard and the other one is the ANSI or the American standards. Coming to certifications, all our products are certified as per confirmed European CE or Underwriters Laboratories and CF for fire-rated products. What Dormakaba India is all about. Dormakaba India is headquartered in Chennai, and from here we cater to the needs of the complete SAARC countries. This is the image of the headquarters building. We have 4 zonal offices across India and 7 local offices and close to 350 plus staff members. Just to show you an image of a laboratory which we have in our Magendra World City. The Doma headquarters is based out of Magendra World City near Chengalpet. Okay, so this is an, I would rather say, one of the country's first hardware laboratory testing which has been accredited by NABL. And we welcome you to witness this facility where every single hardware will be tested for its endurance, performance, wear and tear. As our commitment to the environment and sustainability, our facility at MWC is 100% powered by solar energy, and we supply back to the grid the excess energy. So, what does the team in Dormakaba do to the architect fraternity? We have a team of experts, basically the specifiers. So, we collect the floor plan from the architects. We submit to them the complete BOQ of hardware specifications and the budgetary estimate. Basically, the hardware cost that the architect needs to take in mind while designing the building. And the product management team, which ensures that the right kind of products, both commercially and technically feasible, are available for the Indian market. We have project management professionals, so not only limiting ourselves to supplying the materials, executing the projects in terms of installation. When it comes to large projects like the Mumbai airport or the Delhi International Airport, we even have a full-time installation team based out of these projects who assist in installation of the different types of door hardware. And the after-sales service team, I would say again, Dormakaba is one of the few hardware companies in India which has a full-time service team with us. We take care of the after-sales service, AMC, contracts and maintenance. This is being supported by our marketing and the business development team who interact with the architects and for the brand promotion to reach out to the architects. To bring you to the industry segments or the type of buildings which we participate, starting right from airports to metros to educational institutions or industrial facilities, hospitals, hotels, be it any type of buildings we are present. That's the theme for every place that matters. We have a gamut of product, but I wouldn't be touching upon the entire product group of Dorma. I would rather touch upon only some 3 or 4 solutions, which I am sure would be of interest. So one such solution is starting from right from the entrance of the building. The theme is touch-free entrances. Be it an automatic sliding door or a biparting door or a curved sliding doors depending on the elevation of the building. And we have a breakout door where in case if you want to open up the entire structural opening in case of emergency. We do also have these kind of revolving doors which are completely customizable, and the most important part is that It isolates the interior and the exterior of the building, thereby improving the operation efficiency, cutting down the air conditioning cost. And these doors are available in various diameter and heights. I'm sure while entering the hotel, you would have witnessed a revolving door at the main entrance of the hotel, which is almost 4-meter height, one of the tallest in India. Not only in the entrances, once you enter the lobby, the restricted entry inside the building is achieved with the help of these barriers, sensor barriers or flap barriers, be it a common building or a public building. People entering to inside the building who needs to go to the different parts of the building is controlled by with the use of these physical barriers. These are again completely customizable. The design is yours and the product is ours. Coming to the most important part, inclusivity in the buildings. Nowadays, this is commonly catching up in any type of buildings, inclusivity. The accessibility of the buildings to different types of people with differently abled people. So we have products which can be customized for the use of physically challenged and elderly and maybe children. I would like to show one more image where you could see that a child can even open a door, which means that I'm sure you would be aware about the standards like ADA, American Disability Act, or the RPWD Act of India, which states that the opening force required to open any door should be less than 20 Newton meter force. So this is achievable with the help of Dormakaba cam action door closers. So not only the free entry inside the building, wherever you have a restricted entry, where you need to provide access, retrofit to the existing doors. We have these kind of different types of readers and which is compatible with even RFID cards or mobile, standalone or wired systems. This is completely cloud-based. Today you have an office of 50-seater. I'm going in for as a basic entry level. Tomorrow again I'm expanding. This is an enterprise solution. I need to upgrade the software, that's it. So with the same system, I am adding on the number of users, and the digital keys are purchasable over the app digitally. The hardware tree of Dormakaba, which most of you have witnessed, like starting right from the common hinges, the concealed hinges, door closure, flow spring, lever handles, locks, digital locks, and panic bars, starting from entry to exit, the emergency exits. This is one other interesting solution from Dormakaba, the demountable partition system or the modular glass partitions, which is catching up in any type of office space. So these are basically extruded aluminum profiles, single glazed and double glazed, with which we can help you in achieving in design intent, be it interior office cabins and partitions. Some of the test standards which these products pass through, it has been acoustically tested as well as for the impact loads, and the most important thing is that these products are EPD compliance, which means it's completely recyclable, complying to your green building norms. Some of the images which you wanted to share with you, different types of configurations. As per the design intent of the architect, curved partitions were also created. Again, coming to one more interesting solution from Dormakaba, the mobile walls or the collapsible partitions, which divides the place functionally for multi-purpose. Can be for a gathering, for a DJ, or for a conference, whatever. So I would quickly run through these videos. You are seeing two different types of partitions. The one in the top is semi-automatic partition, and the one in the left corner is the fully automatic partition. The difference is that the semi-automatic partition, the panels are moved manually, whereas the cranking takes place with the help of a motor. In fully automatic partition, it's a touch of a button. Everything it removes based. The panel moves for itself, and it gets parked, it gets aligned. You can even have inbuilt doors, pass doors. Suppose the partition is of 40 meter wide. I cannot go through all the 40 meters to cross the partition. If you want, I can provide a door within the partition. And when it comes to training rooms, the same partition is used with a writing surface. It is used as an writing board, whatever. A similar acoustic partition, when I am talking about acoustics, these partitions are tested for sound insulation starting from 45 dB to 60 dB sound insulations. And these are, right now what we are seeing was horizontally collapsible partitions. This one is more interesting as a space service, vertically collapsible partitions. So you are able to see even a stepped partition is possible. In case of a bigger conference halls, even a stepped partition is possible, and this comes in two variants. One is solid and the other one is a see-through glass partition. To share with you some of the prominent buildings which you have executed worldwide, be it the Marina Bay Sands in Singapore or the Galaxy Soho in Beijing, starting from your Square Business Center in the Frankfurt Airport. Not only this, we have even prominent Indian references like the World Trade Center or the Parliament Building, which we have recently, or the Dwarka Convention Center, which we have recently executed. So you can catch up with us on most of the social media platforms. And before I could thank you, I would request you to visit our few display of the products which you have put up in the left corner of the hall. Thank you. Thanks for this opportunity.